Joachim here, the online agent. And in this section, I'm gonna talk about the structure of AdWords, how the whole thing works and how this being structured. On the top, you can see here is your AdWords account. And you can have multiple of those, but probably if you only have a few campaigns, then one will be sufficient. Underneath your account, you can have multiple campaigns. If you market different projects, different properties, then you would have one at least for each campaign, maybe two or three if you want to run different types, like one search campaign and one video campaign. You might have two campaigns for the same project here, and then obviously for the next one, the same thing. Underneath the campaign, what we call the ad groups. These are groups of ads. And if you do things like e-commerce or whatever, you can have a bunch of ads in each ad group. But for the purpose of marketing properties, we keep it very specific. As always, for one particular keyword, we have one ad group. So we have a bunch of ad groups. And underneath the ad groups, we have keywords and extensions, as well as the actual ads. So let me show you an example, and then I'll actually run through the live hands-on. So just some examples here in our landmark campaign. If I click on ad groups, we will see all these different ad groups appearing here. If you want to add an additional one, just use the blue plus icon in order to add new ad groups. If you then click on any of these ad groups here, in this case, I clicked on Show Flat, you will get this menu here and you can see the actual ads. This is some example of the ads. You can also see the different extensions, which are up here underneath the ads. And of course, the keywords that trigger the ads, like landmark one show flat triggers the show flat ad. Right? All this you can find underneath the ad group, the keywords, extensions, and actual ads. So this is this particular ad account. I have a few campaigns here. We're going to go for our landmark campaign. And here you see all these different ad groups that we have generated. And if I click off any of them, let's say show flat, as per the PowerPoint example just now, we see the keywords that trigger these ads. Within this ad group, I have all the ads and keywords that relate to show flat, like the landmark condo show flat and the landmark show flat. I always do two variants, one with and one without the word condo. Here you can see the keywords, and under ads and extensions, you can see the actual ads that get shown to the user once they trigger the keyword. Landmark show flat and landmark condo show flat, one variant with and one without a condo, and condominium here as well. Per ad group, we have the extensions, the search keywords, and the actual ads. So that's how the structure of Google AdWords is working. I'll see you in the next section.